DIY doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools, even beginners can tackle projects with confidence. Today, we're looking at 10 essential tools that every DIYer should have in their kit. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Sacher 42-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set. The Sacher 42-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set is designed to handle a wide range of everyday repair tasks. Inside the kit, you'll find 8 long screwdriver heads and 32 shorter ones, covering common types such as Phillips, flat, positive, U-shaped, and hex. The set comes with a T-shaped handle that fits comfortably in your hand, making it easier to apply steady pressure while turning screws. A ratchet mechanism allows you to switch between forward, reverse, and lock modes without constantly repositioning your grip. This saves time when tightening or loosening multiple screws. The handle is made from aluminum alloy, while the bits are crafted from durable S2 steel, giving strength without brittleness. A magnetic connection keeps each bit secure and helps hold screws in place, reducing slips. Whether you're assembling furniture, maintaining appliances, or fixing a bike, this set provides practical versatility in one compact kit. Number 2. Deco Pro Tool Set. The Deco Pro Tool Set is a complete kit designed for everyday home repair and maintenance. At the center of the set is an 8-volt cordless drill, lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds. It can be operated with one hand, making it practical for drilling into wood or plastic and for tightening or loosening screws. The drill features variable speed control, with a maximum no-load speed of 800 revolutions per minute. A rechargeable battery powers the drill, and it can be charged with a standard USB Type-C cable. The kit also includes a wide range of hand tools, such as screwdrivers, hex keys, sockets, a claw hammer, an adjustable wrench, and pliers. Each tool is made from alloy steel with chrome plating to resist corrosion, and the grips are designed to be comfortable and non-slip. This set provides versatility for furniture assembly, decoration, gardening, and general household tasks.
Number 3. Hupar Laser Level. The Hupar Laser Level is a compact device designed to help with alignment tasks such as hanging pictures, installing tiles, or setting up decorations. It projects bright green cross lines that are easier to see indoors compared to traditional red lasers. The tool offers 2 operating modes. In self-leveling mode, it automatically adjusts within 4 degrees to ensure straight lines. If the surface is uneven, the laser will flash to alert you. In manual mode, you can lock the pendulum and project angled lines, useful for stairs or custom patterns. Accuracy is rated at about 1/9 of an inch at 33 feet, with coverage across a wide field. The unit can be mounted on a tripod using a standard thread, and it activates quickly in under 3 seconds. Lightweight and durable, with a soft grip and drop resistance, this laser level provides reliable guidance for everyday DIY projects.
Number 4. Kata 6-piece Hole Saw Kit. The Kata 6-piece Hole Saw Kit is designed for cutting clean, round openings in materials like softwood, thin PVC panels, and light plywood. The set includes 4 saw sizes ranging from 1 1/4 inches to just over 2 inches, along with a mandrel and a hex key for secure attachment. Each saw is made from heat-treated carbon steel with a black coating that resists rust and provides durability. The teeth are sharp and shaped to reduce resistance, allowing smoother and faster cuts with less effort. This makes it easier to create holes for tasks such as installing lights, vents, or small fixtures. The kit comes in a compact case, keeping all parts organized and ready to use. While it is not intended for cutting metal or hardwood, it offers reliable performance for everyday DIY projects where clean, circular cuts are needed. Number 5. Morphin Leather Sewing Kit. The Morphin Leather Sewing Kit is a practical set for repairing and crafting with heavy fabrics and leather. It includes a selection of needles in different shapes and sizes, such as curved, pointed, and triangular tips, allowing you to handle a variety of stitching tasks. Alongside the needles, the kit provides waxed thread in multiple colors, an awl for piercing, a thimble for protection, and a ruler for measuring. The waxed thread is smooth, durable, and designed to pass easily through leather without fraying. This makes hand stitching more efficient and less tiring. The tools are suitable for beginners as well as experienced users, offering flexibility for projects like repairing car seats, sofas, carpets, shoes, or even tents and canvas items. Compact and complete, the kit is useful for both everyday repairs and creative DIY projects, helping extend the life of household items while supporting craftwork. Number 6. Gatau Pro 8-in-1 Wire Crimper Stripper. The Gatau Pro 8-in-1 Wire Crimper Stripper is a multifunctional tool designed for electrical work and general repairs. It combines several functions into one compact design, including wire cutting, stripping, crimping, twisting, and even voltage detection. The built-in tester works across a range of 12 to 250 volts for both AC and DC, with dual alarms to indicate hot or neutral wires. This feature adds safety and convenience when working on electrical projects. The tool is suitable for a variety of wire sizes, from smaller household cables to larger ones up to 25 square millimeters. Sharp cable scissors ensure clean cuts without fraying, while the crimping function provides secure connections. Despite its small size, the tool is sturdy and easy to handle, making it practical for electricians, mechanics, or DIY users. By combining multiple tasks into one, it reduces the need for separate tools and saves time during projects. Number 7. Mullwark 20 Pieces Small Screwdriver Set. The Mullwark 20-piece small screwdriver set is designed for working in tight spaces where traditional tools cannot reach. Its right-angle design with a compact 4-inch handle makes it useful for tasks like repairing sewing machines, maintaining computers, or assembling blinds and furniture. The tool features a reversible ratchet system with 16 teeth, allowing smooth switching between tightening and loosening. A magnetic clip keeps bits secure during use, reducing the chance of losing small parts. The set includes 20 durable bits made from S2 steel, covering common types such as Phillips, Posidriv, slotted, square, hex, and security Torx. Each bit is organized in portable cartridges for easy storage. This compact kit replaces the need for bulky toolboxes, offering versatility for appliance repair, garage projects, and everyday home maintenance. With its efficient design and wide applicability, it provides reliable torque and convenience for both DIY users and professionals. Number 8. Gaui Rotary Toolkit. The Gaui Rotary Toolkit is a versatile set designed for crafting, repairs, and detailed DIY projects. It comes with a universal 3-jaw chuck that allows quick accessory changes and supports a wide range of shank sizes, making it more flexible than standard rotary tools. The kit includes 140 accessories, such as a flexible shaft for precise control, a cover shield for safer cutting and grinding, and a drill locator for accurate work on wood. Specialized attachments like diamond cutting wheels expand its use to materials such as glass, ceramic, and tile. The tool features variable speed control, adjustable from 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, giving you the ability to work delicately on fine engravings or power through tougher tasks. Compact and lightweight, it produces less noise and is comfortable to hold. With functions like sanding, polishing, cutting, and engraving, it supports a wide range of creative and repair needs. Number 9. Kaiwat's Utility Knife Scraper. The Kaiwat's Utility Knife Scraper combines two functions in one compact design. With the press of a button, it switches between a scraper and a utility knife, making it useful for tasks such as cutting cardboard, trimming wallpaper, or scraping paint and adhesives. The body is made from heavy-duty zinc alloy, which resists scratches and impacts, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort and control. A foldable design and side belt clip make it easy to carry in a pocket, tool bag, or on a belt, making it practical as an everyday tool. The knife uses SK2 carbon steel blades, known for their sharpness and durability, and includes built-in storage for spare blades. An additional set of replacements is also provided for quick changes. The blade locks securely at 3 angles, 90, 130, and 180 degrees, giving flexibility and safety for different cutting and scraping tasks. Number 10. 80-piece Premium Magnetic Impact Nut Driver Set. The 80-piece premium magnetic impact nut driver set is a comprehensive kit designed for a wide range of fastening tasks. Built from CRV and S2 steel, the drivers are strong, shock-resistant, and coated with manganese phosphate for added durability. Each piece is engineered to withstand frequent use while maintaining performance. Embedded magnets provide secure grip on screws and bolts, reducing the chance of hardware slipping or being misplaced during work. The set includes both metric and SAE nut drivers, along with screwdriver bits, socket adapters, drill extensions, a universal socket, and a wing nut driver. This variety makes it suitable for projects in garages, workshops, or general home repairs. A sturdy storage box keeps all components organized with engraved sizes for quick identification. Compact yet complete, this kit offers versatility and reliability for DIY enthusiasts, as well as professionals handling everyday mechanical or construction tasks.